Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. I have another Depin project called Silencio Network. They are upcoming a beta airdrop for their users and contributors with their app. And what Silencio is using your smartphone to measure noise levels around your area or wherever you go to like eat, shopping, concerts, or just anything, and they will use this data and to provide and sell this data for any potential partners that they may use. And when you contribute, they will pay you out in their coin, which, like I said, will be a beta drop. And currently it is on both, Apple and Android. And if you go through, there is the video for Silencio and the how much data points they have, and this is what it sort of looks like on the phone. Is when you walk around, it does know if you're driving a car or not, but when you do walk around, it does measure the noise level around you. And what you want to do, if you look on their Explorer map here, is you want to try and measure the places that are not mapped yet with these hexagons. So the various spots around here is where you want to measure the hexes for, since they're not registered yet. And if you keep going down, you can also show in the app the venue check-in as well. It will have specific venues where they're interested in to measure the decibels. And if you click on their app here, this one, you can go to the App Store, but essentially you'll download and sign up, and you do need a referral code to start and get going on the app. So I can start showing you, and once you do, you'll just measure, earn, and they do have various, leagues of how much you contribute, and you'll boost your earnings for the Silencio airdrops. And let me see if they have it right here. There's the different types of leagues. You do earn more based on how many times you have measured noise levels around your area. So if we go into the app here, so once you open the app and you have 3 different choices to log in, you can do your Gmail, you can do your Apple, or you can do another email. And once you enter in your email, you'll need a verification code that gets sent, and then you'll also need a referral code. You'll do get 200 bonus coins if you do sign up. Just use MinerHut. I'll provide it in the description below. But once you do log in, this is what the app looks like. And as you can see, this is the kind of ongoing status of the network, of the various stats of people. These is the various leagues. At first you'll start at iron, and then you'll move all your way up to diamond. And you can also get points along the way to join the Discord and Twitter. And if you do the shop, you can use your coins to purchase various items. And the middle is where you start doing the measurement. If you click the plus button, you have the walking, or I think it's less than 10-15 miles per hour. You can't use your car, it'll know. And once you click street, it'll start measuring, and then you will have to consent for the time and data. You would just click the agree, and then it'll start mining. and there's also the venue check-in as well that you can do, and it's the same thing, but this is more for business locations around you, and some of them might be missing, so you can report that a venue is missing and they might add it in the future. And there's also, you know, noise complaint options and so forth. And this is the profile with the various amounts of hexes covered, the amounts of beta drops going to be earned. And this is also cool because they're also going to be able to earn peak tokens as well. And also with this achievements, you can earn badges where, for example, the first venue check-in, you do earn coins as well with all these badges that you achieve, so that's pretty cool. And you want to also make sure that you're able to have a wallet for this. I recall that you need to add as well in the settings, and you can go forth and do that. And there is also streaks for the amount of times you have done a measurement consistently. You do get bonus for being on a streak, and if you happen to break it, you can watch an ad or pay some of your earned coins to resume your streak, just in case you forgot. But this is what it looks like so far for the app, and like I said, they're gonna have a beta airdrop soon, so I'm excited for that. And I'll, you know, you can take this real quick and do the street or venue. It's only like a few minutes that you can do, but yeah, I'm excited for it, and I'll keep participating and see where this Depin project goes. Let me know if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya. Hey guys, Silencio team just announced that the beta airdrop is going to be from 5% to 7.5%, so this is motivating you more to get in early and start participating and using the app. If we go into detail about the other bonuses that they're deciding to do, the core structure, the leagues and bonuses remain the same. They're going to expand the Diamond Hands bonus pool, and looks like the airdrop pool remains allocated to league standings. The higher your league, the greater your share. They are also offering greater rewards for the Diamond Hand bonus. The lucky bonus is for 100 randomly selected users. This is the layout of the allocation for based on where you rank with the Diamond Hand bonus. Leagues breakdown based on which league you're on, and in order to maximize your rewards, you need to climb the league ladder, the referral program, keep your streak up, and do the measurement or the venue check-in every day so you don't break your streak, explore new hexagons, and complete daily tasks or the achievements. And it says right here with the referral that they'll be changing it after. You'll earn a 20% bonus in the app coins. If you haven't already downloaded, these are the links that I can provide, and it doesn't say when the airdrop is going to happen, so I would try to go and get in early and start measuring out those noise and see if you can maximize your airdrop. I'll see you guys in the next video if you got this far. See ya.